Hey everyone, welcome to my video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my fermented rice water. I'm using enriched parboiled rice and I'm pouring it into a bowl. So now that I've poured my rice into the bowl, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wash the rice. So I just washed my rice. I washed my rice until the water is not looking so milky and white anymore. This is just a demonstration of how I washed it. I washed it off camera with 2 hands, but for the sake of this video, I'll just show you how I scrub at my rice when I'm washing it. And I do this until the water is not white and milky like it first is. Now that I'm done washing my rice, I'm going to pour out this water and replace it with clean water. So I just poured the water out from my rice, and now I'm going to put the rice in my cup, which I'm going to leave it in for the next 2 days. I have 2 containers filled with rice because I keep using too much rice and I don't want to waste them. So I have this cup, oops, I just spilled water, and I have this bowl, and now I'm going to cover them and keep them closed and fermenting for the next 48 hours, just because I heard the longer that the rice water ferments, the better it works. So I'm going to try that out. And yeah, so in 48 hours I will take them out, pour them into my water bottle, and use them on my hair. Thanks for watching. Bye.